What's up, guys? Nick here from Growing Wild Off Grid. Been working really hard even though it's been really hot out, and today I just want to take you on a tour of our off-grid shower, bathhouse, and laundry. Just doing this on my phone real quick, so I'll apologize for the video quality. I'll turn you around here. So this is the custom door that I made, and it's just all framed in off the back of my fifth wheel, all scavenged, just pardon me, scavenged materials that I've obtained. I put the metal on the inside just so we could still see the logs. Threw on a quick tin roof, not quite finished yet, but it's coming along. The door was just a 4-inch piece of styrofoam that I sandwiched 2 sheets of plywood together, and then I made a pocket in here. The thickness of a 2x4, and then I put a 2x4 in there just so I had something to secure it, and then I finished the outside of the door with cants, or all the cedar cut-offs, and yeah, not too bad. Come in here, we've got a plywood floor for now. It's about 8 by 9 ish. Again, just threw up some tin on the walls that I had laying around, and I've got a little shelf up there for the wife. Put our laundry soap and stuff. Got the dryer, washer over there. Got the back wall insulated because we've got our big gen on the other side. Also don't want the IBC tote to freeze. I just got a 1,000-liter IBC tote in here that I fill up, and then I've got my 30-pound propane tank there, and again, just a simple log wall, piece of plywood. And then I've got my hot water on demand system, 16 liters per minute. I'll show that to you guys in a minute. I'll fire it up. Then I just framed it in. I cut a pallet to size to fit in between the wall there. I had something for the hot water on demand to mount to, and haven't got it all insulated or anything yet, but that's good because I haven't vented the hot water on demand system. And of course we got all our fittings. This one runs on propane, and then the igniter is battery powered. It just takes 2D batteries, which have lasted quite a while. And then I just made a shelf here out of a piece of log that I cut into a shelf. And then the actual bath slash shower is an IBC tote that I cut, and this doubles as we use it as a hot tub, and we use it as a shower. Just got a drain in here. I had it set up previously different, that's why I've got some tape just patching some holes. By the way, Gorilla Tape is an amazing tape. If y'all haven't used it, use it. I've even put it down in over the water, and it's been good. And then we just got our soaps and stuff here. We got my RV pump. So I got an RV pump here. I got this guy off Amazon. I'm not sponsored by these guys by any means. but it's been good. Afalo on-demand freshwater pump, RV pump, 4 gallons per minute, 50 psi. Pretty good. Came with a bunch of fittings. Comes with a 50 mesh strainer. Works pretty good. I haven't had it very long, but I have no complaints with it. Had to do a little bit of jimming rigging because with some fittings, no big deal, that I had laying around. So we've got the so I just got a hose coming in here. I had to put a female male reducer on here to a garden hose end, and then of course that just sits in the water, and then it comes in and then out, and then I just got a short piece of garden hose here with a smaller fitting to fit onto this, and that goes down, and then this hooks up to this steel braided line, which I'll turn you around again. Steel braided line comes in, which is that guy right there. That's my hot water in, or sorry, that's the hot water out, and then that one's the cold water in propane. Then I've just got this on a simple garden hose with butterfly valves. Got 2 hoses, so this is the main one right here. This is the main one coming in from there, and then that goes up into the shower. I have to put the actual shower head holder on it. We didn't think we had one, but the wife found it in the box, so right now it's just kind of jimmy rigged, and I've just got it going straight down, so it's like a nice rainfall. Works really good. So if I want to shower, I just close this one, keep this one open, and then if I want to have a nice hot tub, I just open that butterfly valve, which goes into here, and then the hot water comes into here. And yeah, so let's I'll fire it up here and show you what it does. I've got an extension cord here running from my generator to a power bar, and I usually just keep my pump plugged in. Just gotta fix this here. One second. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so pump, and then power bar, and when I want power, turn on the power bar. Lost focus here, sorry. There we go. Shower's on. And we'll come over here, turn on the propane tank a little bit. Turn this guy on. Start warming up. Right now I've got it set to winter. This is a good time to do a test because this pump puts out a lot more pressure than my other pump. So I had to have it on winter. So when I have it on the winter setting, it allows the hot water on demand to get hotter. And you've got your thermostat temperature there. Your water pressure, I can turn that to summer depending on the temperature of the water. So we typically shower around 115 to 120. See, we got really good pressure. And And this hot water on demand, you can crank it straight up. Turn that. And it gets hot. Yeah. And we're still rising up to 152. I don't even have it cranked. It's probably about 85-90% cranked. And then I want to shut it off. Come in here, turn the power bar off. We're good to go. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you. Please like and comment. We're just starting out on our off-grid adventure, and we love to hear from you guys, hear your comments. Everything we do is DIY. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.